Hi guys, this week we're going to use everything we learned from the past few weeks in this one video because finally we're going to make our first game. Let's get started. The game we're making is going to be called Dice Rolling Guessing Game, and first we have to ask money from the user. Because we can't really ask for real money yet, we're going to ask how much virtual money do they want. So money equals int to make it an integer, input, and then how much money do you want. After this, we import the random. After this, we import the random library, and then we make a while loop. I equals 1, then while I is equals 1, then we print welcome to Dice Rolling Guessing Game. And we print a space, and then we print your balance, and a trick. Instead of putting str before the variable, we can actually put a comma and then the variable. This actually works. And then print and a space, and then we ask how much money does the user want to bet. So bet equals input, int first, input, and then how much money do you want to bet, and then another space, and then we ask the user choice 1 equals input, will the number be even or odd? This is where they guess, and then we roll the dice using the random library. Dice equals random.randint from 1 to 6 because there's 1 to 6 in the dice, and then we lower the choice 1 variable with a dot lower function in the parenthesis, and then now we determine if the user won or lost. First, let's do the even numbers. So if dice modulus 2 equals 0, this modulus mathematical operator divides the variable by 2 and it gives out the remainder. So if there's no remainder, this means it's an even number. And choice 1 equals even, this means the user won. Then print you win, and then we double the bet. Bet equals bet times 2, and then money equals bet, and then money equals money plus bet, and then we set bet back to 0. And now we ask from the user if they want to play again. So we choice 2 equals input, do you want to play again? Then lower this, there's to lowercase it with a lower function and a parenthesis, and then if choice 2 equals yes, we continue the loop and we loop back again. But anything else, we print thank you for playing, and then we print your balance, their last balance, comma, and then money, and then we break the loop, and this ends the game. Now we determine if the user lost. So if dice modulus by 2 equals 0 and choice 1 equals odd, this means they lost, we print out you lost, and then we set bet back to 0 because they lost, so they don't get anything from it. And then now we ask them again. You can actually just copy and paste from choice 2 to the break function, and we copy and paste this. So if they lose, and then it prints you lost, let's put exclamation point, bet equals 0, and then choice of 2. When you play again, if yes, then continues the loop. Anything else, we'll say thank you for play, and then print your last balance. Now we'll do it for the odd numbers, same thing, except dice modulus by 2 equals 1, this means it's a remainder of 1. This means it's an odd number, and choice 1 equals odd, definitely 1. We can actually just copy and paste the winning code from the even here, and then we put this here. Now we do the loss. If dice multiplied by 2 equals 1 and choice 1 equals even, this means they lost, we copy and paste the losing code. And now let's run this program. Let's see if it works. How much money do you want? I'll say I want $1 million. And then how much money do you want to bet? I say 100,000. Even or odd? I'll say even. I won. So I want to play again, yes. Now, it actually did not double my bet. Because I bet 100,000, that means I should only get 100,000 extra. How do we fix this problem? Well, I'll leave that up to you. You can actually send me your code here, up here, or you can always message us in the Gen Z Developers Facebook page. Anyways, that's it for this week. Next week, we'll be working with lists. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay curious.